Welcome to Woods Creek Workshop. My name... What's going on with the hair? It's so bushy. Welcome to Woods Creek Workshop. My name is Yuchel, and it's so bushy and long. What's going on? Alright, I haven't been to a barber in a long time because, you know, we all been quarantined at home and I didn't want to ask my wife for a haircut, but I think I'm going to have to. This is just not working out. I can't live like this, so. Alright, Jen, I need a haircut. Perfect. Tell me I look beautiful, honey.
You look marvelous.
Yes, that's what I was going for. Oh, it feels so much better. Hi, welcome back to Woods Creek Workshop. My name is Yuchel. Today we're going to talk about tools. What tools? That tool, this tool, all the tools I have in here. Why not? I feel great. Oh yeah, baby. Rock it. How do you like my haircut?
You look like an egghead.
Egghead?
Yeah.
What? You don't like it? What not?
You look like an egghead.
It's my quarantine haircut. Tell me, be honest, you think I rock, don't you?
Sure.
Are you kidding me?
What am I kidding about?
It's just, it looks stupid.
What does?
Your haircut.
Well, what's wrong with my haircut?
It's stupid.
Stupid? I think I cut it for your birthday.
Huh.